In today's video, we will check invitation examples, how you actually utilize the script that I showed you a couple of videos back to different scenarios. My name is William Metsakula, and my mission with this channel is to help you, fellow network marketer, to break free by helping you to become a full-timer in this beautiful industry. And if you do have questions, feel free to ask them, put them to the comment sections, or if you have stories to share, do so. I will be actively checking those comments and answering you back. And hey, let's waste no time and let's just dive into the training. Now, the way this training is going to roll is that I'm gonna put on top of this video 4 different examples where I will be inviting personal trainer, where I will be inviting entrepreneur, where I will be inviting teacher or student to come to my presentations. And before we go to those examples, what I want you to do is that if you haven't yet checked, a couple videos back, I gave you a 4-step invitation script formula. Check that before this video, because then everything will make a lot more sense. It's a simple 5 to 10 minute long video where I walk you through why I use this specific script that I'm gonna now do the examples on. So do that first, and once you have done that, come back and let's check the examples. And with the rest of you who have already watched it, the loyal viewers, let's just dive into the examples. Hello Pete, it is William here. Greetings from the Netherlands. Hope you're doing well. Hey, I wanted to send you this short video because I'm not sure if you knew, but I've been an entrepreneur for several years already, working in the health industry. And at the moment, I'm searching for a handful of people who would be those kind of people that I would enjoy expanding the business with. And I was going through my social media contacts and I spotted your profile from there. And I know that you're a personal trainer. You've been working a long time with this health sector in general. So this is the reason why I wanted to send you this video. And basically, there are 2 questions right now. Number 1 is that, are you even open for new business opportunities? And number 2, if you are, then when would be a good time for you to have a phone call of 10 to 15 minutes? For me, tomorrow, today already would be perfect, but let me know. And hey, this was all Pete, and talk to you soon. Hello Jyrki. Greetings from the Netherlands, hope you're doing well. Hey, I wanted to send you this short video with a business agenda. Now, I'm not sure if you knew, but I've been entrepreneur for a few years already, and at the moment I'm expanding my businesses. And to be honest, I was going through my social media contacts to see, because I'm at the moment looking for a handful of people who I would really enjoy building this business together with. And I was going through my social media and I spotted your profile. And I know that you've been entrepreneur for several years and you have had different kind of projects. So this is the reason why I wanted to contact specifically you. And at this point of the video, I have basically 2 questions. Number 1 is that, are you even open for new business opportunities? And number 2, if you are, then when would be a good time for you to have a 10 to 15 minute phone call so we could check through whether we can work this together or not? But hey, let me know, Jyrki, and let's talk to you soon. Hello Lisa, it is William here. Greetings from the Netherlands. Hope you're doing well. Hey, I wanted to send you this video with an actual agenda. Now, I'm not sure if you knew, but I've been an entrepreneur for a few years already. And at the moment, I'm expanding my businesses, and I'm looking for a handful of people who would be those kind of people that I would enjoy the building business together with, but also those kind of people that could fit into our concept. And the reason why I wanted to contact you is that I know you've been a teacher for God knows how long already. And one of the skills that will be very useful in what we do is actually the ability to teach other people. And this is the reason why I wanted to send this video for you. So basically, now I have 2 questions at this moment. And number 1 is that, are you even open for business opportunities or side job opportunities? And then number 2, if you are, when would be a good time to have a phone call of 10 to 15 minutes with me so we could walk through and see if this is a good fit for you or not? Hey, let me know and talk to you soon. Hello George, it is William here. Greetings from the Netherlands. Hope you're doing well. Hey, I wanted to send you this video with an actual agenda. I'm not sure if you knew, but I've been entrepreneur for several years already, and at the moment I'm expanding my businesses, and I'm looking for a handful of people who would be those kind of a people that I would enjoy expanding this business together with. And I wanted to contact you because I know you are at the moment finishing your studies, and you're going to be this and that and the other. But you know, what I've sensed through social media is that you've done, first of all, well in school, but you also seem to have, you know, ambition and hunger to have this extraordinary life. And this is the reason why I wanted to contact you. So basically at this moment I have two questions for you. Number one is that, are you even open for, you know, side hustle ideas, business opportunities, work ideas? And then number two, if you are, when would be a good time for you to have a phone call of 10 to 15 minutes so I could show you or tell you quickly that what I could have for you to offer. But hey, George, let me know and speak to you soon. So as you could see, the script was exactly what I thought you. And the only difference between those videos is the third part, where we tell to our prospects that why specifically did I choose to contact you. That really is the only thing that varies. And what makes this powerful is that once you learn this script, you always have it with you. And it's just super simple to adjust based on the scenarios, based on the people's life situations that they are at the moment. And I wanted to, one of the reasons why I wanted to make this video is that you can listen it to, repeat one time after another, so that you also start to adapt this invitation formula, and it becomes, you know, second nature of you. And you know, feel free to play with different scenarios. You can map out different scenarios to your paper. You know, what would I say to personal trainer, or better yet, you can take your real friends, people who you know, that how would I invite this person? How would I invite this person? How would I invite this, that, and the other person? And then when you play around with those different kind of scenarios, then you start to really learn the method, and as one more time, it becomes second nature of yours. Now, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you did get value of it. If you did, like the video and also subscribe to the channel so you will be notified for the further videos, because I'm committed to help you break free by helping you to become full-time network marketer in this beautiful industry. Hey, super friend, see you soon.